Advanced revenue management accounting periods. All right, so this is the first step in our setup for advanced revenue management. Right, the accounting periods feature must be enabled. All right, so let's go, and I've got the suite answer numbers here in column K, so that's 7665. And here it tells you how to switch that on: setup, company, setup, enable features, accounting subtab. So let's go there and I'll show you. So it's setup, company, enable features, accounting tab, and there you can see accounting periods is ticked. Now you'd have to have this tick, otherwise ARM is not going to work for you. To be honest, in my last 10 years working with NetSuite implementations, I've never come across a client that did not have accounting periods ticked. Right, so once you've got accounting period ticked, you can then go accounting, manage your accounting periods, and you can set up your accounting periods. I would normally only use setup full year. The other ones are kind of a little bit tricky. So if you need to set up any new years, just go set up full year, put in the date, decide if you need a 1 day adjustment period, and save. Easy as that. Once you've got that, you're ready to roll from an accounting period point of view.